Hello, friends. I have been getting you all, every weekly new stocks to analyze and invest. But from past few days, we have seen a tremendous downfall in the Nifty, and yesterday we had like Sensex 2,000 points falling. So I just thought, why not to make a video for all the people who are scratching their heads and trying to analyze why did the Nifty fall. People say Modi did that, Modi this, Modi that, petrol rate. Nothing is like that. There is always a reason behind it which we have to analyze. So, guys, let's get into the details and analyze why did the Nifty had this big fall in the market. So basically, I have come up with three logics. Why did the market has fallen? Now let's understand. First thing is that the after the U.S. elections, the the new president of US and the central government of their country had decided that they want the people to start invest in their country much more than the outside. So they slowly started increasing the 10-year bonds interest rate. So the people have started pulling their money from the other countries and started investing in their own country. Now if we can see, this is my weekly chart of 10-year bond. So from 5th November 2018, the interest rates were only falling. It was only when in 9th March week, approximately 9th March 2020, where COVID hit the country in a very enormous way, we could see the interest rate stopped falling. And it was in January 2021 when the US government started increasing their 10-year bonds interest rate, where they wanted all the investment come back to their country. And recently they have gone very aggressive to increase their bond rates, so which has gone up to even above 1.50. That was one of the worry for the other countries. I don't know what is going to be the next step, because the interest rate of US has come to one of the resistance around here, 1.68, which still have to reach a bit in a shorter time. But let's see how does the future calls. But this was the one of the major reason that the US Fed have kept increasing their interest rate regularly, and so the people are pulling their money from the other markets and investing into a safer bond markets in their country. The other issue was the US dollar index, that is DXY. If you see, from March 2020, the US dollar was getting weaker and weaker, and all of a sudden, after the Fed have started increasing the interest rate, uh, if you see the trend line, it had a breakout, and it was expected that it might not go too much strong, but go back into the long term rally and get more weaker, but it didn't happen. And somehow it managed to take a support out here. And the even the dollar index is also showing some strength. This was the second reason, the US dollar strength. The first was US 10-year bond interest rate hike. And if you all see our US USD INR, since the US dollar index, which was already in the strength, which was also been seen in our USD INR. If you see, this was the major resistance, where which was broken on the day of 28th to 29th February 2020, after which it reached the new highs of 77 rupees. And after that it had a good fall till 72 rupees, but it was never able to break down and convert the support into resistance, and where we could see the rupee strengthening more. and all of a sudden with bond rates and US DXY, that is the currency, the US dollar getting strength, we saw that there was a huge spike in the USD INR dollar, which made the high of 74 rupees. And hope this rally stops and we might see our Nifty back soon. In Nifty, I'm looking for it to come at the support of 14,300, and it again goes back to the old rally. I hope I have made my analysis very clear, and if you all need any more analysis, please do message and get back with the good and give me a good feedback, or please let me know how do you like this video. Thank you.